Yeah.
We have today a Trinidad Moruga scorpion that I grew in my own garden. I have Morugas, I have 7-pot baracapores, I have ghost peppers. Anything that's hot, we got it in the garden this year. This is my son-in-law, Junie.
How's it going?
He is going to be the brave one in the family because I'm a chicken chit, whatever you want to call it. I don't want to eat it, but I know he will. There you go, June.
And I go just eat a good amount of it?
You can take a piece of it or whatever, yeah. Yeah.
Take the stem off of here.
That's a nice red color.
It's a nice looking pepper, eh?
And we're watching Ted Barris on YouTube. He's a maniac and I love the guy, but he's nuts.
I'm gonna go with a quarter of this.
All right,
Seeds
quarter's
and all.
fine, yeah? Quarter's fine. That's a meaty looking.
That's a good sized piece.
Oh, the smell of it's just getting me.
I might regret this. God bless, right?
If it gets too intense, kids, spit it.
Wow. Swallow it?
No, you don't gotta swallow that. You can toss it, you can spit it in that, spit it in the trash. I don't think anybody on earth should be swallowing those. Whoa! Wow, the
Well,
smell.
before I drink the milk.
Just the smell of that.
All these. Woo!
Oh my God, you're lit up like a Christmas tree. Is that the worst one we've eaten so far?
Oh, Jesus
I'm saying
Christ.
weave. I'm saying weave.
Oh, shit.
Oh, he's crying. Wow.
Oh. Holy mother! Holy, 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 holy. What? Oh, shoot.
Maybe you need to go to the bathroom.
Oh, shut that video off.